Alright, what's up guys? So before I'm gonna show you the trick that saves you a lot of time in the Fairlight tab of DaVinci Resolve, I want to show you how I usually did this manually. There are a few steps that you can do to fade in and fade out your audio clip. First way is in the Fairlight tab, you go to your audio clip, you click on it, and then right here you see this point, you grab it and slowly drag it to the right, and then you have a straight line. If you want to have that nice curve, you can grab this point and you can make a really nice curve, so your audio will slowly fade in. You can also do that at the end of your audio, so grab it, make it a nice curve. You want to have a nice crossfade between these two clips and these two clips. So how to do this? You go to your effect tools, go to your toolbox, audio transition, and then crossfade. You grab this tool and, that one is gone. You put it in the middle, right here. All right, so this was the method that I usually did for all my audio clips, and it took me hours and hours. So now I'm gonna show you how to do this whole process by just one click. So we are in the Fairlight tab and we want to go to Fairlight on top here. Then you're gonna go to Batch Fade Settings. So you want to check the fade in box. Then you can choose between different fade in settings. So I choose this setting, but if you like to have a straight fade in or a linear fade in, you can do that by clicking on this box. But I want to have a nice curve fade in, so I click on this box. Then the length of the fade in transition, I set it to 5 frames, but you can play with it. And then you do exactly the same for the fade out. You're gonna mark the box, you're gonna choose which fade setting you want, and then you will set it to the amount of frames that you want to fade out. So I set it to 5 frames. You're gonna check this box as well. And then we have these crossfades for the middle transitions of your audio. I set it to the equal power, but you can play with it. If you like equal gain, you can set it to equal gain, but I like equal power, and I set this to 3 frames. Check this box, and then you're gonna apply, and nothing is happening. So the next thing that you're gonna do is you're gonna select all the audio clips that you want to add these transitions to. So I'm gonna select all of these clips and go to the top here to my Fairlight setting. I go to Apply Batch Fades and watch what happens here. Boom. One click and it did the job. Alright, so if you learned something in this video, I would appreciate a thumb up, maybe something in the comment, and I'm gonna check you out in my next video. Bye bye!